Running a small business is equal parts rewarding and stressful. There's the thrill of seeing your dream come to life, but also the constant pressure of keeping everything afloat, especially when the bills start piling up. Sometimes you just need a little financial boost to bridge the gap or take your business to the next level. And that's where small business loans come in, and two great options worth looking at are American Express and Biz2 Credit. If you're here wondering which one is right for you, well, don't worry, we're going to break it all down in plain, no-nonsense language so you can make the best decision for your business. Think of this as your go-to guide, like asking a friend who's been here before. So let's dive in, but before we actually go into the details, if at any point throughout this video or afterwards you want to try either of these two providers for yourself, then go ahead and head to the link in the description and you'll get the best deal available. So consider that if you're interested. Now, if you're like most people, the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear American Express is probably their credit cards. They're known for their prestige and stellar customer service, but here's something you might not know. They also offer business loans, and just like their credit cards, their loans are built around trust and transparency. Let's start with the basics. So American Express business loans are designed to be simple and hassle-free. Loan amounts range from $2,000 to $250,000, which is great if you're looking to tackle small to medium-sized expenses. Maybe you're upgrading your equipment, buying extra inventory for a seasonal rush, or hiring new staff. Whatever the case, these loans are tailored to meet those manageable everyday business needs. One of the standout features of American Express loans is their fixed interest rates. This means your monthly payments will always be the same. No surprises, no last-minute hikes. For a business owner juggling a million things, that predictability is gold. If you're already an American Express cardholder, the process gets even easier. They often offer pre-approved loans based on your account history. It's like they've already done the hard work of figuring out if you qualify, so you don't have to stress about it. And if you've been with them for a while, you know their customer service is top-notch. They're the kind of company you can trust to pick up the phone when you need help, or at least to reply to an email without making you wait a week. Now, if American Express is like that reliable, steady friend who has your back, Biz2 Credit is the tech-savvy buddy who knows how to make things happen fast. They're not a traditional lender, which is part of what makes them so appealing. Instead, Biz2 Credit is more like a matchmaking service for small businesses, connecting you with financial options that fit your needs. And speed is really what makes it stand out. We're talking 24 to 48 hour approval in many cases. That's practically instant coffee in the world of lending. If you're in a tight spot, like a crucial piece of equipment breaks down or you need to pounce on a great deal for your business, then Biz2 Credit can be a lifesaver. But speed isn't their only strength. They also offer a ton of variety, whether you're looking for a working capital loan, a term loan, or even real estate financing. Biz2 Credit has options. Their loan amounts range from $25,000 to over $1 million, which means they can handle everything from small-scale upgrades to big, ambitious projects. The secret to their success is that Biz2 Credit uses advanced algorithms to analyze your business profile and match you with the best lenders for your situation. It's like having a personal assistant who knows all the ins and outs of the lending world. The process is efficient, personalized, and designed to save you time. Overall, they're ideal for businesses that need funding fast or have more complex financial needs that a single lender just might not be able to handle. Okay, so now that you know what each lender brings to the table, how do you decide which one is right for you? Well, let's look at some key differences. First, let's talk about approval speed. Biz2 Credit is the clear winner here. It's not really a competition. Their 24 to 48 hour turnaround time is perfect if you're in a rush. American Express isn't slow, but they're more geared toward existing customers who might have pre-approved offers, which streamlines things but doesn't match Biz2 Credit's lightning fast approach. Next, there's the question of loan amounts. If you're looking for smaller, manageable loans, American Express has you covered with their $2,000 to $250,000 range. It's ideal for short-term needs or medium-sized projects. But if your ambitions are bigger, say you're opening a second location or investing in real estate, then Biz2 Credit's range from $25,000 to $6 million is far more versatile. Then there's rates and transparency. Both companies excel here, but in different ways. American Express keeps things simple with fixed rates, so you always know what to expect. Biz2 Credit, on the other hand, focuses on finding the best rates for your specific situation, which can be a big win if you want a tailored solution. And finally, let's consider customer experience. American Express shines in this department, leveraging their decades of experience to offer dependable, human-centered service. Biz2 Credit, while efficient, leans heavily on technology. If you like the idea of algorithms doing the heavy lifting and you're comfortable with a more hands-off approach, Biz2 Credit will feel like a dream. But if you prefer a more personal interaction, American Express might be more your speed. So how do you choose? Well, if you're looking for reliability, predictability, and a brand you already trust, American Express is a fantastic choice. Their loans are straightforward, transparent, and perfect for small to medium-sized business needs. Plus, if you're already an existing cardholder, the process is as smooth as butter. On the flip side, if you need funding fast or have bigger ambitions, Biz2 Credit is hard to beat. Their quick approvals, flexible loan options, and tech-forward approach makes them a great fit for businesses that need a little extra agility. And that just about wraps up today's video. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have any further questions, then don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. And also don't forget about those deals that I mentioned for both banks in the description. But at any rate, thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, take care.